Hello student, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are good. In this critical situation, I am far away from you and trying to teach you your subject, computer, information threats and security. So, first chapter we need to start class 1. That is today we taken, and we are study today what is threats in between, what is malware, virus, Trojan horse, worm, spyware, adware, spam, phishing and spoofing, ransomware. All are the things we are study today. After teach you, I will give you more the notes in PDF format. So first thing is that what is threats? Threats means something that is dangerous in our real life also. Threats that is somehow we are facing trouble from outside, maybe just like our today COVID-19. That is you know that is a very dangerous virus all people of the world facing now. That is threats for us, our human body, our all the society of India and world. So threats means something that is dangerous to us. But in the computer term, threats means that is not dangerous to us, that is dangerous to computer or computer network. That is somehow damage our computer system or network system. So we call them threats to computer system. The data in computer should be secure and accessible only to authorized person. That means those person are authorized, means that is the person only given access, full access to use the data or computer. Otherwise the person cannot use the things what we have in our computer system or network. आम कहया गले जदि कौनसी व्यक्ति कंप्यूटर आमर व्यवहार करिया को चाहूची आमर बिना परमिशन आ बिना ये कही कि बिना पासवर्ड नहीं कि तो ताहले ताकू आमे अनऑथराइज एक्सेस कही थाओ आ जते बेले सेही डैमेज बा थ्रेड्स जो कहूचु आमे से कौन करि थाए बिना कोनोसी परामर्श नै कि आम कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को हैक करिया किंबा चोरी करिया पई चेष्टा करथाय आ ताकू आमे थ्रेड्स कहि थाओ. विभिन्न प्रकार रो थ्रेड्स रहिछि, दैट इज मालवेयर, भाइरस, ट्रोजन हॉर्स, वर्म, स्पाईवेयर, एडवेयर, स्पैम, फिशिंग एंड स्पूफिंग, ransomware. Threats means a computer security refers to anything that has the potential to cause serious harm to our computer system. That means the things that are able to or that have the potential or ability to damage our computer system or harm our computer system is called as threats. Some may be accidental and some intentional. Intentional always known as hacking or cracking. Accidental may be sometime malfunctioning our system and damage, but intentional threats are harmful to our computer system. What is malware? Malware means malicious software. Malware means malicious software. Malicious means that has some wrongdoing or wrong things to do our computer system or harmful to our computer system. That is known as malware. Malware includes, that is, computer virus, worm, Trojan horse, spyware, hijacker. Certain types of adware are known as malware. Malware, that is any kind of unwanted software or unwanted things that is installed without our consent or consent to our computer system. That means without our knowledge or without our knowing, someone install some program in our computer that is dangerous to our system, and it is also known as malware. Then virus, that is stand for vital information resource under siege. The full form of virus is vital information resource under siege. Virus is a software or program that is have potential to disturb our operation of normal computer system. It enter our computer system without any information to user or without knowledge of computer system, and it's have a capacity to replicate itself in our computer system to damage our abnormal function. Virus are two types. One is boot sector virus, another is file or program virus. A boot sector virus infected the first sector of our hard drive. That means we have a memory system in our computer. Their first sector was filled with our operating system. We read already in class 6 what is operating system, and there is before our operating system started, firstly the boot sector firstly our computer system are booting. We know that where booting means all the peripheral device of your computer will be checked whether it is connected well or not. Before the booting of our system, the boot sector virus was initiated or installed so that our computer system did not open properly or operating system did not open or boot. So the boot sector virus is very dangerous to our system. The boot sector virus is stored in MBR. Boot sector virus is stored in MBR. That is master boot record. The example of boot sector virus are Mitchell, Michelingo, and Stone. Michelingo and Stone. The second thing is that file virus or program virus. File virus means or program virus means it when we executed or load memory perform predefined function to infect the system. That means we have our memory system and many file in our computer system. When we open a file, whatever the file in between a file, all are infected with a virus that is known as file virus. Just like that, our system file always .exe, that is program, or we install that, .com a system file, .bin a system file, that .drv, .sys, all are system files. All our system file will be damaged when file virus or program virus installed in our computer system. Then Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a program. Trojan horse is a program that act as a malicious or harmful code. Program means that is also a software. Trojan horse also a software or program that is installed our computer without knowledge of our or user knowledge. It is a malicious software. That means it is also dangerous to our computer system. It designed to cause some malicious activity or provide backdoor to our system. That means it is installed without our consent or knowledge, and it is provide data to his owner, the person created write the program to spread virus to other computer system or want to damage other computer. That is known as Trojan horse, and it is no way to replicate itself. That means it is not replicate. It is not grow their count or number in the computer system, or it is not spread through replicating. The example of Trojan horse are beast, rat, netboss, girlfriend, etc. I will teach you tomorrow what is worm, spyware, adware, spam, phishing, spoofing, and ransomware. And simultaneously, I will give the note of threats, malware, virus, Trojan horse. So, first thing, all are try to understand what I am saying. If not audible or you have anything doubt, you can ask me freely. Thank you.